No guts, no glory. Come on, baby, here we go! Welcome to Big Lock Daddy's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Hey everybody, it's your boy Big Lock Daddy. On today's video, we are going for a low time, a new low time, as a matter of fact. We are just moments away from Orlando SpeedWorld, and we're getting ready to rip rock and roller. Heck of a drive on the way over here. Saw a burned out CTSV, Cadillac V, burned to the ground on the 408. Moment of silence. Okay, that's enough. So, the goal tonight is to run a better time, the best time this car has ever run. As you can see, I pulled out the seats in the back, tried to save weight anywhere I could, didn't bring the toolkit, left the spare tire at home, and that's where we're at. As you remember, I put in the brand new ported throttle body. We tested it on the street back home in Claremont. It rips. The car definitely rips. But this time it's a little different. With the track being the way it is, nice and sticky, I was getting a lot of spin out of those 235s, so I put my 245 45 R20 tires on in the rear only. I left the fronts the same. So we're gonna see if that hopefully gives us a little bit better traction in a straight line. I'm not gonna be ripping it to the right or to the left. It's just go straight and go fast. Hopefully we can hit 90 plus miles an hour on the trap speed. I think we got it. So it'll be real interesting to see how this V6 Charger runs on the track with the new ported throttle body. It's Friday Night Frenzy at Orlando SpeedWorld. So get ready. Here we go. All right, we're here at OSW. Let's get her done. Hello, racing tonight.
You do have hand fun, right?
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alrighty. Got our tech card. We are number 71 tonight. Oh yeah. And we are good to go. The track is calling me. It's going to be busy tonight. They had to cancel their Whoop-Ass Wednesday event because of rain, and when that happens, you get all these guys want to come out Friday night. Friday nights generally are a lot busier here at OSW, but oh, god dang. So yeah, we're here at OSW, riding along the wall, hopefully not in the wall. Oh yeah. Oh. Marco, the track announcer, is running the gates right now. God, we better get in line quick. Holy crap. Yeah. Couple of V's. Oh, it's going to be some good shooting night tonight. Got some peeps coming out. Magic Mike is in the building. It's time, baby. It's time. Hopefully she'll grip and we'll let her rip. Oh, dang. I gotta get a picture of that. Can you see that? No. I'm gonna have to come around behind it. Ferrari. Sweet. And it's friggin' busy. Friggin' busy. Here, take a look. Oh yeah, the trailers are deep. Bog deep, let her eat and do it for, oh, there we go. Somebody got to get under there. That's dangerous. So we're here. We are ready to roll, ready to race. We'll get her up there, cool her down, throw a freaking sweatshirt on because it is cold. It's a nice, cool night for this. There's gonna be a lot. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Yeah, let's do it. So I got her parked, got her cooling, getting ready to race. And make no mistake about it, when I said it was busy, that was an understatement. Busy night at Orlando SpeedWorld. Yeah, it was. It definitely was. By the end of the night, we had 4 lines of cars all lined up, just street cars. That doesn't include the pro mod guys or the bikes. We actually took over the bike lane. They're still going back. And speaking of pro mods, here's the Bahrain racing car. This car put down a 5-second quarter mile. Amazing. And with as many people that were there, I decided to check out some street action. So now the time had come. After 2 test passes, I was ready for my big race. So I headed back to the Charger to load them up. Okay, I'll take the Honda. And now here's a good reason to be cool with the track guys whenever you head out to race. What's up, brother?
Getting a little colder out there.
Yeah.
So not a massive burnout, but a little bit longer.
Got it.
Because it's going to start going away about mid-tracks. This way you won't shift at all. You'll actually be able to hook it up.
Gotcha.
So a little bit longer burnout, all right?
Good looking out, brother. Thank you. See, I love the track guys here at OSW. That's Travis. He's a good dude. I like that cat. Okay. No guts, no glory. Come on, baby, here we go. Come on. Don't let that VTEC get by me. Come on. Got him. Woo! I think I did it. I think I did. That was like the best race ever. I wouldn't even pay attention to 60 foot. I don't know what the was, but oh well. That was a race. Boy, he came on hard. Woo! Come on, baby, here we go. Come on. Don't let that VTEC get by me. Come on. Got him! Woo! No joke, man. No freaking joke. That was so much fun. Oh my God. Best race I've ever had here. I thought we'd match up well. I really did. I thought we'd match up well. I got out of the gate fast, man, fast. We're gonna see what I ran for a time. And as you can see here, it was a 15.64 at 88.71. And if you look all the way down at the bottom, it lets you know who won the race, and that would be the left lane car 71, the V6 3.5 liter Charger. Although look at his time, he came on like a freight train. Well, we're leaving OSW now. It was a great night. Again, brand new record, 15.642. Can't be anything but psyched about that. This car was just amazing tonight. I'm officially in the range of where the 3.6s run. The V6 is there, so I'm super stoked about it. The tires did get more grip. I won my last race. I flat out won. I beat him by 200ths of a second, but a win's a win. That's what Vin Diesel did say in the Fast and the Furious. So I'm just another great night out at Orlando SpeedWorld. I couldn't be happier. You know, hopefully next week I'm going to be off. I got to do some traveling, so we're not going to be able to make it out here. So it's going to be a few weeks before we do another track video. But good Lord, I got to meet that Volvo dude from my Instagram, Giovanni. Good dude, really good dude. Having trouble with his Volvo tonight. You know, that thing runs pretty good, but I don't know what was up. His mile an hour was great. His times were me and him would have been a good race. Let's put it that way. Yeah. So from Orlando SpeedWorld, this is Big Lock Daddy out. We'll catch you in the next video.